Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today, we're here on Jekyl Island. We're actually here on Driftwood Beach. And what we're talking about is, what are the flood insurance options that are available on Jekyl Island? Today, we want to talk about those two options. So we're talking about the National Flood Insurance Program, and we're talking about private flood insurance. Remember, one's run by the government, one's run by private companies. Now, there's some pretty big differences here, especially if you live on an island. As you can imagine, land value, building value can be very high here. And when it comes to these properties with the National Flood Insurance Program, their coverages are limited to $250,000 on residential buildings, $100,000 on contents, no loss of use. When it comes to private flood, many times they can offer up to millions of dollars of coverage on the building, contents, and loss of use. So there could be some big differences here. Can also be some big differences in pricing. You know, we've seen it where private flood insurance can be 30, 40, 50% less. However, private flood insurance is not always the best option here on the island. You see, if you're in a flood-prone area like hurricane area here on Jekyl Island, then you might have private companies that non-renew people, that continue to increase rates even more than a National Flood Insurance Program. So those are some things to think about. Also, remember, not all private flood insurance options are the same. Now, you could have a rate range from $1,000 to $5,000 with different carriers because they look at the risk differently. So it's important to understand that. So if you've got questions about what the best flood insurance option for you is here on Jekyl Island, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this right here. Your flood insurance and mitigating your property long term. Thank you.